Next up, we have Ethan Bolderson from Apex Tool Group. During the session, post your questions in the Q&A window, and Ethan will answer your questions at the end of his session. And now I'd like to turn it over to Ethan and Apex Tool Group.
Thank you, Justin. Welcome everybody to Apex Tool Group, or Campbell Chain, as many of you know, to our booth for AWRF. I would like to kick things off with a video that we recorded specifically for this trade show.
Hello, I'm Mark Workinger, Director, Product Marketing for Campbell Chain and Fittings. Joining me today is Ethan Bolderson, Associate Product Manager. We'd like to welcome all of our AWRF members to Campbell Chain's virtual booth. For more than 100 years, Campbell has been a leading manufacturer of chain and fittings products. From our beginning in 1919 through our acquisitions of Merrill lifting clamps and Brewer Titchener fittings and blocks, we remain committed to manufacturing our products to the highest standards of safety and strength. In fact, Campbell developed, pioneered, and became the first manufacturer to produce grade 100 chain in the USA. We offer a wide selection of welded chain, ranging from grade 30 proof coil to grade 100 alloy chain. All Campbell welded chain is 100% proof tested and made in the USA at our York facility. Other welded chain products include items made specifically for marine, forestry, manufacturing, and other general applications. We also offer a variety of weldless chain with many different styles for general and decorative applications. In addition to chain, Campbell manufactures a broad portfolio of forged fittings, blocks, and clamps. This includes grade 100 fittings, shackles, and lifting clamps. We are also ISO 9001:2015 certified, and our products meet or exceed NACM, ASME, and ASTM industry standards.
Today, we'd like to showcase some of our new products from Campbell. Campbell is happy to announce our portfolio of shackles is now even more robust. Our new line of DNV type approved bolt type anchor shackles feature innovative design changes in our forging and heat treating process in order to comply with the growing offshore rigging industry. These shackles, forged in our facility in Sumter, South Carolina, range in sizes from 3/4 inch to 1.5 inch, carry all the necessary certifications that DNV 2.7.1 requires, including EN 10204 Type 3.1 and EN 13889. They also meet or exceed all Sharpie impact strength requirements of ASTM A952. In order to comply with DNV GL 2.7-1 marking of lifting sets, shackles are marked with Campbell, working load limit, size, USA, and traceability code. One of our most unique features is that our shackles are hot dipped galvanized and also powder coated with a high vis bright orange finish for increased visibility in subsea environments, as well as better durability in the harshest offshore locations. We also added angle markings at 45 degrees from center, providing a quick visual guide for checking load angles. The shackle bolts are clearly marked with the country of origin, in this case the USA, as well as traceability codes. We've made accessing your DNV certificate easy through our Customer Link portal. Simply log into Customer Link with your credentials. Certificates can be accessed via order history or product inventory check. In this example, we are using the product inventory check. You'll need to enter the product material number, click on DNV certificate, and in a pop-up box, enter product traceability code from both the shackle bow and the pin. In some cases, they may not be the same. A new pop-up window will appear with available certificates based on the input provided. 3 certificates will be available for download and print. Available certificates will include the Apex Tool Group DNV GL certificate, the mill certificate for the shackle bow, and also the mill certificate for the shackle pin. Campbell DNV shackles are available in 7 sizes, ranging from 3/4 inch to 1.5 inch. For more information on our new shackle line, please talk to your Campbell sales rep or contact our customer service team. Campbell's grade 100 sling hooks have been redesigned and engineered from the ground up in order to offer the latest in durability and ease of use. Campbell sling hooks now feature a new heavy gauge, high strength steel latch with a reinforcing rib for ultimate rigidity and bending resistance. We also added a spring that's twice as strong and holds the latch firmly against the hook to securely retain slings and hardware. We then mounted the latch assembly on dual forged support bosses using a stainless steel bolt. These added forged bosses provide a lateral support for positive latch hook alignment. We've also added a new latch ID reference, in this case PL5, forged right into the hook, making it easy for latch replacement identification. Latch installation is fast and easy. The Cradle grab hook from Campbell employed a rigorous design approach and repeated prototype testing in order to develop the strongest hook solution possible. The precise shape of the Cradle is designed to keep the captured link suspended slightly above the bowl of the hook to eliminate side loading, while the shoulders support the adjacent links to maximize chain strength. The result is a best-in-class grab hook that outperforms the competition, eliminating the 20% working load limit reduction requirement for choking applications. We have an exciting video that showcases this hook in action.
Campbell, a world leader in chain and fittings, introduces an innovative new design, the Campbell Cradle Grab Hook. The Campbell Cradle Grab Hook vertically suspends the chain's captured link by precisely aligning and supporting the adjacent links on oversized engineered angled shoulders. The primary cause of chain failure, direct contact with the hook bowl, is eliminated and load stress is more evenly distributed in the link. The result? Operators can lift at 100% of the chain's rated limit without factoring working load reductions. Chain life is extended. And due to their heavy construction, Campbell Cradle grab hooks are less likely to deform. Rounded edges on the shoulders and pocket provide secure link engagement as well as smoother chain release. And all Campbell Cradle grab hooks are 100% proof tested and are designed for use with grade 100 chain slings. Campbell Cradle grab hooks. Better design, higher efficiency. That's Campbell confidence at work.
We thank you for stopping by our virtual booth and support of Campbell products. We miss you and hope to see you again soon.
All right, thank you guys. I believe I did see one question come in to Q&A. Ryan Dalton, are you on?
Yeah, hey, good afternoon, Justin. You hear me?
Yeah. Ryan, we did get one question about the markings on the shackles. I don't know. Are you able to see that question? Do you want me to read it off?
Oh, I see it. Yeah. Listen, these are forged shackles. They're not dog bone. Our markings have been on the, not on the radius of the top of the bow. This is how we've designed our product for years. We don't have any real world testing into service testing yet, but the question referred to our markings. It looks very sharp in the video due to the fact that it's a new forging, newly cut die, since it's a new product. But we'll surely be observant and understand it and appreciate any of the feedback that we get from the field once we get these out into the market.
Yes, so I don't see any other questions rolling in, guys. Do you have any closing remarks before we let you go?
No, thanks, Justin. Thanks for the opportunity and thanks for pulling this together. It looks like we had about 150 participants, which is great. We certainly missed being with everybody in person and look forward to the next time we can do so, and appreciate the opportunity, and certainly reach out if y'all need us for anything. Thanks, Justin.
Thank you very much. Great presentation.